y'all. This is me, same day, doing a new intro for a fabulous dessert that is out of this world, will knock your socks off. Welcome back to Misty's Pleasures of Life and Good Home Cooking. And Pluto says hello. Hello. Ah. This is one of the little things I got for myself for Christmas, y'all. I love it. Welcome back to my channel, Misty's Pleasures of Life and Good Home Cooking. Y'all, this dessert we're making today, Cheesecake Factory ain't got nothing on little old me. This is lemon meringue cheesecake. It's got a lemon custard filling, a big, huge, pillowy topping of meringue. Y'all, it is out of this world good. Sit down and get ready for an amazing dessert. You don't have to go to the Cheesecake Factory for it. This is amazing, y'all. I hope you enjoy it. Let's go. Okay, y'all. One of the most important things with our lemon meringue cheesecake, we want to zest 3 medium lemons. We're going to need a lot of lemon zest. And I do have my little zester right here that I invested in, which is really good. And we're also going to need lemon juice. Now, my husband has this hand squeezer one. I want an automated one, but right now we'll use this. First, I'm going to do the lemon zest. So we're going to just take our bowl right here. I don't know why my camera light's on, y'all. Maybe I'll hold it over the bowl like that and zest it that way. Y'all, this is not easy. That smells so good. I can make soap with this. It smells so good. In fact, you know what? That's one thing I'm going to learn how to do this year is make my own soap. And lemon is going to be the first. All right. Now what we're going to do is we're going to juice 3 lemons. Now, it might be hard on me because I do have some serious joint issues in my hands and arms. But we're going to try and see. That's why I want to get a really nice electric juicer. It would help me a lot. See how that just gets right down in there? And that's the juice that we have so far. Okay, now we've got our lemon juice right here. And we have our lemon zest. Now we're going to do 2 1/4 cup of Graham Cracker Crumbs. And we are going to melt 10 tablespoons of butter. And then we are going to need 3 tablespoons of sugar. All right, now I am going to put just a little bit of the lemon zest into our crust. Okay, now we're going to pour in our melted butter, and we're going to stir this up really well. Y'all, that's an anime show my daughter's over there watching. Sorry. Okay, now we're going to take our crumb mixture and we're going to press it down and up the sides of a 9 by 13 cheesecake pan. Got some of that on my counter. And then we're going to bake it in the oven. Okay, now we are going to add, we have 3 packages of cream cheese in our KitchenAid. We're going to add 1 cup of sugar. And we are going to add 3 tablespoons of flour. We are going to beat this on low. You don't want to go higher because you risk your cheesecake getting cracks, which mine might get cracks anyway. I'm not too worried about that. And we will add the rest of our ingredients to our filling once this is smooth. Now you will want to pause and scrape down the sides because you want everything to be well combined, and I'm going to do that here in just a minute. All right, now we're going to add 1 cup of sour cream. And with your eggs, you want to make sure you've had those at room temperature. So we're going to start gradually adding 1 egg at a time. Okay, now we're going to pour our cheesecake filling into our crust. Gosh, y'all, that's good. I had to lick it. All right, we're going to bake this for 1 hour and 15 minutes at 300 After that, we're going to turn the oven off, keep the door closed, and let it sit in there for 30 minutes. Okay, you guys, our face is red because I have been baking this cheesecake, and it's for tomorrow for our Christmas. Y'all, I forgot to film myself doing the curd. I'm holding this in my hand, y'all. And so I'm going to tell you what you do is with the curd, you have to use a steam pot. So you either want a big pot that you can put hot water under, and then you put another pot on top of that, and you do 1/2 cup of sugar. Let me be sure. We're going to put my glasses on, y'all. So you're going to do 8 tablespoons of the lemon juice that I had zested, or I had squeezed rather. Sorry, y'all. So 8 tablespoons of that lemon juice, fresh lemon juice. And then you're going to do 4 teaspoons of grated lemon zest. Now, I did it different. I also put the rest of my lemon zest on top of the lemon curd because my son likes a really citrus cheesecake. So I took the extra lemon zest and put on top of the lemon curd. And then you're going to need 1/2 cup of sugar and 8 large egg yolks and 1/4 cup of salted butter. Now you put all that together in a pot over that pot that's got the water in it, and you stir it and stir it and stir it until it reaches 180 degrees on a candy thermometer. And then, or you see it thicken, whichever. And then you take it and you pour it over your cheesecake. And then that's when I took the rest of my lemon zest and I put on top of it. Then after that, you're going to take it and put it in the refrigerator for overnight. And in the morning, I'll bring y'all back and we'll do the meringue together. All right, y'all. I'll see you in the morning. All right, y'all. This is our lemon meringue cheesecake without our meringue right now. She came out beautiful. Look at that crust. Look at that crust. Came out beautiful. The lemon curd is right there in the middle. That is fresh zest on the top. Fresh zest on the top, y'all. Oh, this is going to be a good cheesecake. Lemon meringue. Lemon meringue cheesecake. Who doesn't like this? Okay, and now what we're going to do is we're going to get ready to make that meringue that's going to go on the top. So I'm just kind of estimating because I like a lot of meringue. I had to get a little bit of tea there, y'all. So normally my recipe calls for 1 cup of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of cream of tartar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 4 large egg whites. However, we are mixing it up. So we're going to probably be doing 1.5 cups of sugar, a teaspoon of cream of tartar, a teaspoon and a half of lemon extract, and 5 or 6 egg whites. We'll see how it goes. All right, so this is some egg whites. They have been chilling all night in that refrigerator. Now we're going to come in. We're going to come in with some sugar. Now this right here is 1 cup. But I'm going to add a little more than that. And we got to add our cream of tartar and our extract. All right, we have our meringue ready now. And we're going to go ahead and put this on the top. All right, y'all, let's top this off with a little bit of lemon zest on the top. And I think that's good.
What you're putting in.